Hi kiddies, today we are going to see some facts about monkeys. Yeah, shall we go? Monkeys are intelligent animals that are good at solving even problems. And monkeys are mammal group. And a monkey group commonly includes several related females and their young one, and one or more males only. And then monkeys used facial expressions and body movements and various noises to communicate with each other. Example, squirrel. And monkeys have more than 25 calls. These calls can sound like barks, purrs, screams and peeps. The deep howl of howler monkeys can be heard from 2 to 3 miles. Wow! This is 3 to 5 kilometers away. Each monkeys have unique fingerprint just like a human, and it mainly eats plants, fruits, flowers, seeds, shoots and roots and leaves. Some type of monkeys also eat birds, eggs, insects and other small animals also. Who knew? Thanks to watch and do subscribe for more drawings with an information. Thank you.